Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Toyota Camry. This is the XLE trim with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. This one only has 4,500 miles on it. Barely broken in. Really nice back seat area, tons of room, super nice. Love this like bluish gray leather, especially with the brown. It looks phenomenal. Really nice leather lined dashboard. Everything's nice, soft touch materials, nice gauge cluster. Really nice interior. You also have wireless charging. There it goes. Pretty cool. Did that shut off? Yeah. Without further ado, let's go ahead, head out on the road. You have three main modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. For majority of this drive will be in Sport. Yeah, Eco mode does lighten the steering a little bit. Really good power. You could also get an XLE V6, if I'm not mistaken, producing 301 horsepower. Really a powerful V6 motor. But the 2.5 is perfectly fine. Brake pedal feels great, tons of bite. Toyota Camry has been, I believe, Toyota's best-selling vehicle, if not the Corolla. Definitely one of the best-selling sedans on the market. For good reason. Super reliable, full of great features. Matter of fact, it also has over-the-air updates. I know that for a fact because when I started it to drive to the location where I film, it updated itself. Pretty cool. Definitely Tesla-esque. I mean, it's not gonna sit there and change drive modes, but it can update the infotainment screen and stuff like that, and it definitely looks different from the last time I drove a Camry back in 2018. So they've definitely done some tweaking and reworking to make it look the best they possibly can. You do have a manual mode. Not sure if... No, it's not a full dedicated mode, because if I floored it, it would downshift itself. It also auto upshifts at redline. I'm pretty sure. Not bad at all. I'll go ahead, I'll put it into eco mode for the tiniest bit. Oh yeah, throttle response is definitely lessened. Normal is your default mode. It's what the car is going to be in every single time you start it. It doesn't remember your modes, which is kind of a disappointment, but normal mode is perfectly fine for what it is. Overall luxuriousness, this is excellent. Love the wood grain trim that's over here, very, very nice. And these seats are very, very comfortable too. Handling is actually really, really good. Of course, if you want a better handling version, you can get the XSE in both, or either the 2.5 or the V6. I'm not sure what size the V6 is. I know it's over 3 liters. Over the bumps, let's see how it does. Not bad. Actually super fun to drive, in all honesty. Visibility is also great. I am a big fan of this new redesign of the Camry. It definitely steps up quality a ton from the previous generation. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.